first idea or emotion that became the spark for the song? Who would like to answer?
Go, Ella.
Okay, so Ella will answer. Dahil baka may mga hindi pa nila kayo kilala dito sa Trinoma. So sasabihin ko yung mga names nila lagi. Ella, would you like to answer?
So actually, Pula and Tabi were running kind of at the same time. But for Tabi, it was our journey. And for Pula, its core is our sisterhood. So how all of the trials and the tribulations, we got through it because we were together.
Wow!
Galing.
Diba? Pula is also for nosebleed. Medyo lang. Pero totoo yun, no? Yung sisterhood nyo, talagang nag-spark yun nung simula ng Pula. Alright, thank you so much for that answer, Ella. Let's go to our next question. What do you hope your fans will feel or realize when they hear Pula for the first time?
Ikaw na to, Ate Yure. Oh my gosh.
Eureka! Pala naman si Eureka!
So yun nga po, sinabi po na Ella, yung Pula po, it's about chasing our dreams. Pero yung pinaka-highlight po kasi talaga doon is yung friendship, yung bond po na nabuo. Simula po nung trainees kami hanggang sa transition to naging Sonara po kami. So, actually kung i-describe ko po yung Pula in one word, siguro po yung word is comfort. Kasi ito pong girls is yung pinaka-comfort ko sa life. And every time na narinig ko yung Pula, sila talaga yung naaalala ko, unang papasok sa isip ko. Kasi nung, share ko lang po, nung sinulat ko po yung verse ni Ella, yung I don't have to worry about anything. I have my girls on my back, yeah, I'm ready. So, kung ano po yung first na words na pumasok sa isip ko, yun po talaga yung nilagay ko sa lyrics. Kasi dun sa Pula, even sa music video namin, parang gusto namin maging natural lang. Kung gusto namin na makita nyo kung sino si Sonara. So, yung music video namin, actually, spoiler, wala siya masyadong sayaw, hindi kami nakatingin sa camera. Yan spoiler yan Hindi kami nakatingin masyado sa camera, so makikita nyo talaga yung sisterhood namin doon sa MV. So every time na narinig ko yung Pula, sila talaga. So sana, kapag narinig nyo rin yung Pula, may maisip kayong someone na, itong tao na to, ito rin yung comfort ko. So ayun po. Habang.
So may assignment tayo guys, pakinggan ng Pula at isipin kung sino yung tao na nagbibigay ng comfort sa atin. Wow! Napakinggan nyo na ba ang Pula? Yes! Sobrang ganda guys. Okay, now, isa pang tanong para sa inyo.